Hey, how are you?
स्वस्ति न पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्योररिष्टाः
Namaste, Bulo Vinaka, ladies and gentlemen. After that very long introduction, unnecessary introduction, I'd like to firstly thank the India Friendship Fiji Forum for this invitation. Of course, His Excellency, the Indian High Commissioner to Fiji. Ladies and gentlemen, today of course not a time to make long speeches, it's a time to actually celebrate. And as has been said, Holi is about a time of recognizing your fellow human beings, about enjoying the company, about putting away the past of the previous year, about recognizing the fact that, you know, traditionally it is celebrated after the end of winter and entering into spring and the end and the harvest season. It's all about colors, it's all about celebration, it's all about celebrating each other's, not just diversity, but each other's own experiences, and sharing that with their fellow human beings, with people who live in the villages, in the towns, in the cities, and of course those of you who may not necessarily, you may have had a good year with them, but it's time to put everything aside. I was actually quite keen. Yesterday, as you know, there was a celebration at Damodar City, and I took my sons along and I showed them, I said, this is what we'll be doing tomorrow. So hopefully we can have lots of fun today with the colors. As His Excellency highlighted also, Fiji is extremely lucky to be a country where we are able to celebrate all the different faiths, the different celebrations, the different anniversaries that they may have in their religious calendar. And it's a very unique situation. We're probably one of the very few countries in the world where we have such celebrations, where we have public holidays for occasions such as Diwali, Easter, Prophet Muhammad's birthday, Christmas. And of course we have on the periphery, we celebrate things like Holi, Eid, and various other celebrations like Ram Navami, etc. And I think we should cherish that, and we should ensure that that culture of celebration, that culture of acceptance, that culture of understanding, and being able to have that no restrictions in being able to celebrate that with everybody must continue, and we must jealously guard that particular opportunity that we have, that particular position we have in our country at the moment. So, ladies and gentlemen, I asked Mrs. Sapkal, I said, where's the bhang? But I'm told we don't have any bhang. Maybe we need to go to India to get the bhang. But ladies and gentlemen, I wish you all a very happy Holi. We wish to thank all the organizers, and of course, we look forward to the wonderful dancers that have come in from India. I'd like to once again thank the Indian High Commission, in particular the High Commissioner, for organizing these cultural activities around, not just in Fiji, but also within the wider Pacific. Happy Holi, everybody. Dhaka, thank you very much.
Big round of applause please for each of the artists. Ivana Sarkar,
who have performed there and who have charmed us with their mesmerizing performance. Our particular thanks to the leader, dancer and